Damn, I'm vibing with the new me. And if you got a problem, you can sue me. Oh, baby, now I'm going for it. I'm a star in my own movie. Now introducing the new me.
Johan. It's rainy day. Kain muna kami.
Dito, I love you. Ay, dito, I love you.
Scarlett, patingin nga ng hair. Wow naman, naka-ready na yan. Bakit ganyan yung hair mo?
Kasi may
Broccoli.
Roses in the window, price tags on display, numbers floating, changing with the day. Some wait for the discount, hoping for a deal to buy a wilted bunch, though once they were real. But my love is a wild rose, in the thorns it grows, falling naturally where the wild winds blow. It doesn't chase the season, doesn't wait for sale. Its bloom is its treasure, standing tall and hale. True love roses are priceless, never on discount, never in distress. Romance can't be cheapened, like a heartbeat, it won't cease. Thorns and fragrance, both intact. That's the love, no turning back. This full price romance, exchange with a sincere glance, not painted by
And I bet you thought you knew me.